Alright, today we're going to set a preset spot point style that will open a website in a pop-up inside of your tour. Specifically for our purposes, our Matterport tour. You'll be in here in your home map, be inside of our tour. We're going to go in here, and this is going to be so you can add a point in your window, and you'll be able to add a URL on a website, and it'll open it in a pop-up window a la this one that we already have set up. And it will look like this. Keep you right inside your tour. So we're going to go inside our style. Inside your style, in your workspace up here, you're going to want to go to your plugin library under your viewers, and you're going to add in website box. Double click that, it will transfer it up to here. And that's going to show you all this. We keep it a default for now. And what that's going to do is allow you to come back into your tour style and come into your default point style. We're going to add this over to our tour, drags it across to here, and this is going to allow us to edit this point. In here you can select any variety of styles based on what you want. You can choose custom colors, dragging it around, and then here we leave all this stuff. Here is our main focus point, and this is going to show you the action of someone clicking on this spot. And this is where it's going to come into play that you put this website box in your workspace. You go down, and normally you don't have these options, but when you add it in, it adds a website in a box. And this is where we'll go. You can open it, you can toggle open, close it, or you can close it, but we're going to go open. And we're going to hit OK. So that gives you the ability to add a URL and title. If you leave these blank, it will allow you to input those on the other side when you add it into your tour. So, to put it into your tour, you have to select check mark, and that will allow this to be a point on your map as a default point style. So every time you click it, you don't have to reselect this every time. When you want to add it to your spot style, so it's always a default available, go up to your name, change that, and save it as a preset. And that's going to allow you to have it available again for any other tours that you go to build. So once this is added in there, come back to your tour, come back to here, you click your point, click here, you can see you have styles available because you have it added on this, your available tools. Then when you're in here, you can see, make sure you don't click again until you unselect that, deselect, click that. So this allows you to then input a website. This is your tooltip. This is what someone hovering over this will see. So we'll just say 3D tour, and you can go more in depth and do a full description. Then we'll go up to here and you'll build it. Now the first time you do this, it'll ask you to name your tour. After you do it once, it is just a really quick refresh, and it allows you to preview your tour right here. Here's our point we just inserted, and here's our website in a box, which can then be X'd out. That's all for today.